Hey everybody, and I'm going to show you how to do a communication. Okay, we are going to use our scene flow here and our create interaction button. So let's go ahead and create an interaction, and let's call this intro communication. Intro communication. Let's call it number 1. So we have a whole bunch of things. Right now we're going to worry about communications. So click OK, and there we have it. We have our communication. So we can write what we want. We can say, welcome to my project number 1. Okay, and then we can create a new one. So it'll go to this one, and then it'll go to that one, and it says to play this demo. Let's call it a demo. To play this demo, use the arrow keys to move, and shift key to run. Okay, so there we have. Now we have an interaction. And if we go to our interaction editor, we couldn't see this before, but we can go to our intro communication 1, and we can rename it. Let's just call it intro communication. We can add another one. We can edit it. So, and don't forget to have fun. Okay. We can clone it. We can make intro communication 2. And we can call it, there we go. We can import from other files or from other journeys. We won't do that though. And we can delete them. Oh yeah, we're going to highlight unused interactions. So we can see that this interaction is not used. So if we go publish, play, we can see that there's no communications and there's no way to communicate that to the player. This is where the scene flow comes in. So we are going to go down and we're going to find the one under interaction control. This controls your interactions, and we are going to go display communication. So here we have display communication. Okay, so communication interaction, we're going to double click and select our intro communication, and we're going to click use. There, now it's in use. So let's try now. Go publish, let's go play. But we still get no communication. That is because we need a trigger. So click scene flow. And so we have the only trigger we're going to cover right now is called scene start. So this is the starting point. So whenever the scene starts, it's going to do whatever's connected to this. So if we drag a piece from here over to here, it says on start display. So when it starts, when the scene starts, it's going to display intro communication. Okay, it's super simple. So let's publish that and play it. And there we go. Now we have intro communication. This is welcome to my project number 1. To play this demo, use the arrow keys to move and the shift key to run. And don't forget to have fun. Hey, that almost rhymes. Wow. See? There we go. Now, we have this one called scene end. And this is how we end the scene. So we would drag this over here, and this is for finalizing it. For finalizing it. So there we go. Scene start, display communication, scene end. So that says on complete enable. So as soon as you're done the intro communication, it's going to end the scene. So let's see how that works. So we publish that and play it. It says welcome to my Project 1. Next, to play this demo, use the arrow keys to move and the shift key to run, and don't forget to have fun. And as soon as we press this button, it's going to stop, which isn't very good. So you're going to have to decide the best way to deal with that. But we don't want that anymore. We want the person to be able to play our game, or our simulation. So we can right click the tip. I think, yeah, we have to right click the tip and click delete wire, and there we go, the wire's gone, and now we have that. Okay, try to add multiple communications. So we can go add a communication, add another one, intro communication. Okay, use, there we go. Let's try that. Welcome to my Project 1 to play this demo. Welcome to my Project 1 to play this demo. See, there's a whole bunch of possibilities that you can use here. But so that's all you need to do. The only thing you need to do for this lesson is to have a working intro communication type message. Okay, the things we want for intro communication is we want like a welcome message, and we want moving around, because often you might be sending these to your teachers or to people who don't even know what Thinking or VBS Worlds is. So you're going to have to describe to them how to move, right? So you have to describe to them how to move. And yeah. So once you've got that all figured out, we can publish, and then we can do export journey. Mystical button here. So I press export journey, and it saves it in this location. It says see users documents VBS Worlds exported journeys Project 1. Right? We can change this. I'm just going to leave it be. We can have platforms, okay? We have standalone, iPad, internet, Android. There's a whole bunch of options. Right now, we're just going to choose standalone. iPad and iPhone, that's tricky. Android, that's tricky. So we're just going to choose standalone. Standalone means it'll run in your browser. So, and just set the locale to default and click open folder on completion. Okay, so now it's going to build it. So we press OK, it built it, it's exported it, and there we go. We have our thing. And now you can send this to all of your friends, and they can play your demo. It says welcome to Project 1, and then they can play and run, and yeah. So you're going to need to send this to your teacher. So what you're going to want to do is we're going to want to drag all of that, right click, I think, and then we're going to go send to compressed zipped folder. Oh, that's weird. Okay, don't do that. Just go new compressed zip folder, and we're going to call this Project 1, and then my name, Zion, and then grade 9. Okay. And then we're going to grab this, move it in, and if we look, there it is. And we're going to grab our videos and move it in, and our pack files and move it in. That's weird. Okay, so that's in. And then we have Flash, and we're going to move Flash in. Oh. Okay. So it can't add the videos folder and the Flash folder to the project because they're empty. And let's grab this run.log and put that in. And there you go. Now you can send that to your teacher. Okay. Have fun.